Okay guys, so let me go ahead and just give you guys a little bit of backstory on my hair in general. So before I got my locks, I was natural for about two and a half, no, maybe 3 to 4 years. I was natural, and my hair, honestly, it was just not growing, y'all. Like, my hair, it has very slow growth, especially in the natural state. And honestly, I never really wore my natural hair often, so that's just a little backstory about my hair in general. So I do have a few questions that I will answer for you guys just to start off this video before I get into the actual update, just so you guys can be caught up as to why I'm locking my hair, how I started it, etc, etc. Okay, you guys, so the first question that I'm going to answer for you guys is, when did I start my locks? I started my locks August 9th of this year, 2023. That was the day that I just decided, yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and go for it. The second question is, why did I start my locks? So I started my locks simply because, honestly, I've been thinking about locking my hair for a while now. And so in a way, I kind of was just like, why not? I did a lot of research on locking my hair and everything before I actually did it. Another reason why I lock my hair is because, like I said before, my hair does have slow growth. So I figured if I locked it, it'll kind of help my hair retain the length. And also another reason is because I do truly believe that when you get your hair locked, it does teach you patience. I am one of those people who is very impatient, y'all. Like I honestly feel like this will teach me patience, because the locking process is a process and you have to trust the process. So this would definitely teach me patience and kind of just keep me on track and help me be able to actually stick to doing something. And then the last reason why I got my hair locked, honestly, is because I think that they're cute. I mean, like, locks are really, really cute. They're beautiful. And I just, could not wait to be a part of the lock community. So the next question is, how did I start my locks? I started my locks with the 2-strand twist. The reason why I started off with 2-strand twist, honestly, it's no really particular reason. I just thought maybe the 2-strand twist would be easier, seeing that I actually started my locks on my own. I did not go to a loctician or anything like that, so I do not know how to do comb coils, honestly. So that's why I started off with the 2-strand twist. The next question is, how many locks do I have? So honestly, when I first did the 2-strand twist in my hair, I initially counted my locks and I was at 108 locks when I first started. But honestly, I split some of my locks since then, and it's so crazy because I sit up here and I split in my locks, and now I'm thinking about combining some of my locks, y'all. So it's crazy, but honestly, right now, I do not know how many locks I have. I will be doing a lock count video sometime soon on my channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So another question that I have is, am I going to color my locks? Am I going to dye them? Honestly, I probably will dye my locks somewhere down the line, but as of right now, I am enjoying the black, my black hair, my natural black hair. I actually want to just enjoy this color with my locks first before I do any dyeing to my hair. And yeah, honestly, I probably might wait till I make my 1-year lockversary or something like that, just so I can kind of switch it up. Yeah, but yeah, I do definitely plan on coloring my locks. And the question that you guys have all clicked on this video for is the update on my locks. So the update on my locks is, honestly, during the first month of my locks, I didn't really notice any change in my hair. The only thing that I can say that I was experiencing was my hair was very itchy. and it still is very itchy. I honestly do not know why my hair is so freaking itchy, y'all, but it just has been so itchy, and I'm trying my best not to scratch, because I kind of feel like I was scratching too hard in the back, and I'm kind of, you know, I don't want to break my hair off, you know what I'm saying, because my hair is actually thicker at the top, and then like in the back my hair is more finer in the back. So if I scratch too hard in the back, I'm afraid that, you know, it may break my hair off or something like that, and that's definitely not something that I want. So I'm really just trying my best to just figure out a way to combat the itchiness. For anybody that already has locks that is watching my video or is a loctician or anything like that, if you guys have any pointers of anything like that on how to combat the itchiness, please comment down below, because I need those tips. Okay, like, my goodness, it's crazy. And I am 2 months right now. I made 2 months on October the 9th. Today is October the 12th, so I just made 2 months, and my hair isn't retwisted or anything. I actually haven't washed it or anything yet. I plan on washing my hair within the next few days, so when I do wash it and retwist it, I will definitely be doing a video on that and posting that. But since my 2 months, I've only washed and retwisted my hair one time, and yeah, I would definitely be showing a few pictures toward the end of this video, just so you guys can see like the visual progress of my hair from when I started up until now. But yeah, I only did one retwist on my hair, and yeah. But as of right now, what I'm noticing, just going up into, you know, month 2, I'm noticing a lot more frizz, you guys. My hair is super duper frizzy now. It's super puffy, and I'm actually feel like I'm starting to see some budding on my hair as well. So yeah, that's very exciting. I actually think I'm seeing a little length too. I'm not sure, you know, I can't really tell if my hair's growing or not, but I think I am seeing a little bit of growth as well. So another question that I do want to answer for you guys is, what is my lock routine as of right now? Now, honestly, I am new to this lock thing, you guys. So the only thing that I really have been doing, and it is the beginning stages, like you know, I only have starter locks. So right now, the only thing that I have been doing to my hair is I'm using water on my hair. It's just plain water in one of those 360 bottles. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, it's plain water in one of these 360 bottles right here. And yeah, it's literally just plain water, y'all. It's nothing else up in here but plain water. And what I usually do is I spray my hair with water, refresh my hair in the morning, like when I get up and stuff like that. I refresh my hair with water every single day. I don't necessarily drench it. I just kind of, you know, wet it, just so, because in the morning my hair be kind of stiff. And I know y'all know what that's like when your hair is kind of stiff, especially if you got locks. So I just kind of spritz it a little bit, just to kind of loosen it up a little bit, and, you know, get a little movement in it. You know what I'm saying? Get a little movement. So like, that's pretty much what I do. And then I do oil my scalp 2 to 3 times a week. And this right here is what I've been using. I hope that you guys can see that. But this is the Talia Wahid Black Earth Products African Healing Oil. This oil, y'all, smells so good. And I do truly believe that it's, you know, definitely moisturizing my hair. I feel like it's doing a really good job. So I do use this oil in my hair. And I also use this oil right here. Now this right here oil, y'all, this is a mixture of 3 oils. This is a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, and rosemary oil. So I have all 3 oils in here together mixed up. So I kind of alternate, you know, how I do it. So I would say like every 2 or 3 days I will oil my scalp. And if I oil my scalp on Monday with this, then on Wednesday or Thursday I'll oil my scalp with this, and then you know, then on Sunday I'll oil it again with this, and then just, you know, every 2 or 3 days I'll just kind of alternate between the two. But like I did say, I do oil my hair, not oil, I do wet my hair, spray it with the spritz bottle every single day. I do that every day in the morning. I do not do it at night, because I feel like doing it at night, you're kind of going to bed with a wet head. Don't want to do that. So I definitely do it in the morning. That way, you know, my hair will have time to dry throughout the day. And I honestly think that wetting my hair daily definitely is playing a really good factor into how my hair seem like it's locking and budding already. So let me give you guys a up close of my hair. So yeah, this is, you know, a few of my locks. I hope y'all can see this. But yeah, this is just a few of my locks, y'all. It's, you know, right here, I know y'all can see this. It literally is heat damage right here, y'all, on my hair. I mean, I had already had heat damage before I lock my hair. You see how it's puffy at the end and then kind of like straight right here. And then like when you get to the root, it's puffy. So like, yeah, I'm hoping that, you know, somehow, some way that would disappear. But my hair, I feel like it's doing really, really good. It's really, really puffy, really, really frizzy, and yeah. This is what it's looking like. Let me turn to the back so y'all can see the back. Actually, I don't know if y'all can see this, but like at the very nape of my hair, at the very nape, it literally is unraveling. Like, so yeah, y'all, at the back of my hair, it is unraveling. I've been having that problem since the beginning. I don't know why, but the back always unravel and I always have to like retwist it. So honestly, I'm thinking about getting one of those what is it, the crochet tools or whatever, and just kind of doing that to the back ones that's on my nape, just to make sure that they stay, because yeah. And then if I do decide to combine some of my locks, I definitely will do a video on that as well, because now that my hair is getting, you know, a little puffy and swelling up and stuff, some of them, it's literally, I don't know, I feel like they're gonna be a little thin and I don't want that. So I kind of want, I feel like I might have to combine some of my locks. Okay guys, so now that I've given you the update on my locks and gave you guys a little 360 of what my hair is looking like, we're gonna go ahead and get into the lock visual that I promised you guys for the month 1 and month 2 of my lock journey. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is my very first video, the first of many. And yeah, I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. So let's get to this lock visual.
Everybody wanna say shit. I don't care what they say about us now. I don't wanna have no conversation. They just wanna fuck it all up now. Yeah. All up. I like bad bitches. bitches, mad riches.
Just look at yourself in the mirror and dance real sexy to me.
If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches. If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. Everybody swear they know about us, but you only know what I told ya. You only know what I show ya. They lost too many soldiers. Put my heads up. We only get older. Can only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches.
Just look at yourself in the mirror and dance real sexy to me.
If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches. If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. Everybody wanna say shit. I don't care what they say about us now. Yeah. I don't wanna have no conversation. They just wanna fuck it all up now. Yeah. All up. I like bad bitches, mad riches.
Just look at yourself in the mirror and dance real sexy to me.
If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches. If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. Everybody swear they know about us, but you only know what I told ya. You only know what I show ya. They lost too many soldiers. Put my heads up. We only get older. Can only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches.
Just look at yourself in the mirror and dance real sexy to me.
If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, mad riches. If you ain't 100, then you can't sit with us.
I hope and pray that you guys are doing well. I hope that you guys are prospering and flourishing in life. Because this is a new channel, I do want to ask that you guys subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. Comment down below again any tips that you guys may have for a beginner like myself with the locks, because I'm honestly learning as I go. So you know, even though I do watch videos and things like that, anybody that already has locks and y'all a little seasoned up in this lock community, I definitely would not mind, you know, listening to your advice and taking a little tips in for myself. If you guys like the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.